What is up, guys? We're back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to add transition effects to your ranking videos. So if you don't know what transition effects are, they're pretty much the effects in between each clip that make it very smooth and they glide across the clip. Like for this video right here, I'll show you guys. So transition effects, they help the transition between each clip look aesthetically clean. They make it very smooth and clean. Because if you don't have transition effects, sometimes the video can just look very plain and just very boring. And you want it to you want your video to be as transformative as possible, and adding a transition effect, it helps your video become more original and transformative. Because you never would just want to just upload, you know, the clip as it is. You have to add lots of transformation to it. So here's one of the transition effects. Here it is right here. As you see, it's called left, right? So here's one of them. So you're gonna wanna see like where the clip changes to the next clip. So we'll see this clip right here.
It wasn't his day.
See how that changed to the next clip?
This is the end. It wasn't his day.
See?
It wasn't his day.
So it goes to the next clip, but it looks kind of plain right here if I just let it play like that.
It wasn't his day.
So I'm gonna add a transition effect right in here. So what you do, you just drag it and then you bring it here in the timeline. So now let's play it.
This is the end. It wasn't his day.
You see that? You see the difference?
It wasn't his day.
See how it just swiped from left to right?
His day.
So that just helps, you know, the video be more engaging. And then you essentially just do that for each clip. Anytime that it changes to the next clip, you just add another transition effect. And usually you want to add the same transition effect because you want it to look consistent and clean. But for this tutorial example, I'm going to choose a different transition effect to show you guys the different transition effects on the editing software. Alright, so the scene changes here, right? So I'm gonna add, I'm gonna just add a random one. Alright, cool, we'll add this one. So let's see.
This is the end. Bro was just watching the game.
You see that? So I'll show you the two transitions that I put.
This is the end. It wasn't his day. Bro was just watching the game.
So that's how you add the transition effects, and then you pretty much just use it. You just add the transition effect throughout each clip in the video. And there you have it, guys. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.